Hey there! Want to learn the secret to getting the maximum point in Block Blast? Well, this is the video for you. And let's go. Hey there, buddies! Back at it again with another video. Today we're looking at Block Blast. Okay, of course it's a very fun game. It's a very chill game, but if you do, however, want to reach the maximum score, like right away, to just show off for your friend, well, there's a really easy way to do it. I'm only having 300 points right now, but of course I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. Okay, just max points right away. Okay, first let me find the general. Just follow the lead, guys. Okay, make sure you find the background app refresh, which is around right here. Make sure it's turned on Wi-Fi and cellular data, guys. Okay, all right, and now get into your browser of choice, which is Safari. I'm using an iOS. It's gonna be appsblad.com. Okay, this is what it should looks like, guys. Alright, and let's just hit go. And as you can see on the site right here, there's gonna be plenty of apps, plenty of games for you to choose. But of course, today we're looking at Block Blast and how we can get just the max amount of points, right? Block Blast, search on that. Alright, there it is. As you can see, guys, get the high score without having to do anything. Let's just press on download. Of course, it's supported on every kind of device. Alright, and give it a few seconds, guys, and once this is done downloading, if you go into your Block Blast, after you can see, I downloaded into mine, it only got 300 points, but right after this, we're gonna get unlimited, and we're gonna see how much points we actually gonna get. Okay, and I think that should be done. Let's get into Block Blast. Let's see here. Okay. Go classic mode. And oh, as you can see, the points are rolling in and I'm doing absolutely nothing, guys. It's just rolling in. Right? So easy, so quick, so fun. Of course, it's time for you to do it right at home. And I'll see you next time.